Okay, so this is Ida Red. This is the whole thing. So your main notes are here. Open B string. You got this guy right here. And then also you have this B, which is the same as this string. But I like to do it so eventually we'll get some slides in. So, you know, for the first part of it, we'll start with the high part. Kind of bum diddying, you know, one note through each time through the pattern. And then we have, and then we're gonna break that up a little bit, go do this riff. The melody of it is just this. We're gonna try to apply the clawhammer pattern to that, which is gonna go. If you did it without playing anything on your left hand, it'd sound like this. And that's probably a good way to practice it at first. Or you can just go. And then when you combine them, your brain will know how to do two things at once. Another important pattern in Ida Red is this boom strum pattern. When I get down to this lower melody, I kind of go. It's just G, strum ditty. And then the lower melody goes like this. And it's important not to get tripped up on this little, which you're going to play twice in a row. It's going to go like this. Up the hill, down the hill, all my people live down the hill. So to play the whole thing again slow. I'm kind of keeping that strum ditty pattern going through the entire low part. Anytime I get down on those lower strings, unless I'm doing something real complicated, I'm kind of on this pattern. And I use it to fill in any gaps, like after this riff. Ida Red, clawhammer banjo.